In today's video, I'm going to teach you a Canva hack. How to make your own custom elements using Canva's AI tool. This is perfect when you can't find the exact icon, doodle, or shape you want, and you'd rather create something that matches your style. First, open Canva and open any design. It can be a social post, a presentation slide, or a completely blank canvas. The size doesn't matter here. You just need to be in the editor so you can place your new element right away. On the left sidebar, click Magic Media. This opens Canva's AI workspace. We're going to focus on graphics, which generates clean, scalable elements that are ideal for icons, badges, and simple illustrations with transparent backgrounds. Next, click Graphics. You'll see a prompt box where you can describe exactly what you want. The more specific your description, the better the results. For example, you could type minimal hand-drawn star doodle, black outline, transparent background. Feel free to mention style words like doodle, geometric, watercolor, or 3D, and include colors or line thickness. Adding phrases like transparent background helps avoid unwanted white boxes behind your element. Keep it clear and original. Avoid brand names or copyrighted characters, so the results are safe and unique to your project. Now click Generate. Canva will create a set of options based on your prompt. Give it a moment to process. When the results appear, scan for the one that best matches your vibe. Look for clean edges, the right proportions, and the overall mood you want. If nothing hits the mark, slightly tweak your wording and generate again for a fresh batch. Choose one generated graphic you like, then simply click it to add the element to your design. It will drop onto your canvas, ready to use. Think about visual hierarchy and spacing, so the new element enhances your message without competing with text or images. From here, resize or recolor the element as needed. Drag the corner handles to scale it up or down while keeping it crisp. If color editing is available, you'll see color swatches in the top toolbar. Click those to adjust outlines or fills to match your brand palette. Some graphics support multiple color areas, so you can fine-tune different parts independently. If recoloring isn't supported on a particular result, try generating the element again with the exact color in your prompt. And that's how you create your own custom elements in Canva using AI. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.